Right now, someone just launched an AI business that'll hit 6 figures this year. The twist? They didn't invent a new model. They didn't raise venture capital. They just applied AI to a boring business problem faster than anyone else. In this video, I'm breaking down 6 AI business ideas real founders are using right now to make $10,000 to $15,000 a month. I'm Tristan from CodeBrew Labs. We've helped over 100 founders build AI-powered products, and the pattern is clear. The winners aren't building the most complex AI. They're solving the most obvious problems everyone else ignores. Here's how this works. For each idea, I'll show you who it serves, why it wins, and exactly how it makes money. Let's dive into the 6 ideas, and stick around for number 5. It's printing money for local businesses right now. Idea 1. AI Voice Appointment Setter. Every missed call to local business, a salon, a dentist office, or real estate agency, is money lost. Owners can't answer every inquiry, and hiring a full-time receptionist costs $30,000 to $40,000 a year. We built a voice AI agent for a dental clinic that answers instantly, talks naturally, checks the calendar, and books appointments automatically. Result? Response rates tripled. Missed call losses dropped to almost 0. Here's what makes this work. The AI doesn't just answer calls, it qualifies leads, answers FAQs, and sends confirmations via text. The technical stack we used? 11 labs for natural voice, make.com for workflows, and a custom GPT for context handling. Here's how it earns. Charge $1,000 to $2,000 for setup, then $200 to $500 a month per location. This scales beautifully because every service business needs this. Thousands of SMBs worldwide are losing customers to missed calls right now. Idea 2. AI Content Repurposing Studio. Every company and creator is posting long-form content, podcasts, YouTube videos, webinars, but 90% of it dies after one upload. Here's where an AI content studio comes in. You take one 30-minute video and automatically turn it into 20 short clips for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts, 10 LinkedIn posts, 5 blog summaries, and 1 newsletter. And all of this within 24 hours. We built a workflow for a B2B brand that went from posting twice a week to posting daily across 5 platforms. Their engagement doubled in 6 weeks. The tech behind it? Tools like Opus Clip for video clips, ChatGPT for scripts and captions, and Pico Labs for animations. The beauty? Build it once and run it for every client. Here's the revenue model. The revenue model? Monthly retainers. $2,500 for small brands, up to $15,000 for enterprises. You're not competing on price, you're competing on speed and distribution. If you can promise 10x your reach from one video, clients won't think twice. Idea 3. AI Executive Inbox Manager. Executives waste up to 10 hours a week managing emails and meetings. That's a full workday gone. We built a personal AI assistant for a founder who gets 300 plus emails a day. It reads and prioritizes the emails, writes replies in his tone, and manages his calendar automatically. The agent reduced his inbox time by 70%. Here's what it does. It scans incoming emails, categorizes them by urgency, drafts replies using your past responses as training data, and even schedules follow-ups. The stack we used? GPT-4 for email intelligence, Gmail API for inbox access, and Cal.com for scheduling logic. Here's how it earns. Charge $499 to $1,000 for setup, then $99 a month per user. This is perfect for agency founders, coaches, and executives who value time over everything. Once they see their inbox managed in real time, they never cancel. Idea 4. AI Competitive Intelligence Monitor. In SaaS and e-commerce, competitors change prices, add features, and update copy every week. Most teams only notice after losing market share. A competitive intelligence agent solves this. We set up one for a Shopify app that was getting undercut on pricing, and within 2 weeks, they adjusted their tiers and stopped the bleeding. Here's what it does. It scans your competitors' websites daily, tracks price changes, detects new features, and emails you an action summary every morning. The stack we used? Web scraper APIs, ChatGPT for summaries, and make.com for daily triggers. Here's how it earns. Charge $1,000 for a one-time setup, then $99 to $399 a month, depending on how many competitors you monitor. Idea 5. Speed to lead AI responder. Most local businesses lose up to 50% of leads because they don't reply fast enough. They're busy, offline, or asleep. An AI speed to lead system solves that. Here's how it works. When someone fills a form, messages on WhatsApp, or DMs on Instagram, the AI replies instantly, qualifies the lead, answers FAQs, and either books an appointment or routes the chat to the owner. We built this for a real estate agent. Lead response time dropped from 3 hours to 45 seconds. Conversion rate up 38%. The tech stack, Twilio for SMS, WhatsApp Business API, and a ChatGPT-based logic flow. Here's how it earns. Charge $4.99 for setup, then $99 to $2.99 a month per business. That's recurring SaaS revenue. Scalable, sticky, and industry agnostic. Plumbers, dentists, salons, and coaches, they all need it. Idea 6. AI spokesperson video production. Video production is expensive and slow. Studios, actors, shoots, reshoots, it adds up fast. But now, tools like HeyGen, Synthesia, DID let you create ultra-realistic AI avatars that talk, emote, and deliver messages in 40+ languages. Businesses are using them for corporate training videos, real estate listing tours, product demos, multi-language marketing content, and more. A single AI avatar can replace hours of filming and scale instantly across global audiences. We helped an e-learning company create 50 training video modules in 2 weeks. Normally, that would have taken 3 months and cost $50,000. They spent $3,000. Here's how it earns. Charge per project. $200 to $2,000 per video, or package it, $500 per training module, $150 per real estate listing. Low cost, high margin, even small studios can pivot into this today. Why these ideas work? So what do these 6 ideas have in common? They solve expensive problems, and they do it with surprisingly simple AI. Most importantly, the customers already exist. You're not creating demand. You're just solving problems businesses are actively searching for right now. So here's the truth. Ideas are everywhere. Execution is rare. Right now, we're in the early days of the AI economy. The tools exist, the demand exists, but most founders are waiting for the perfect moment. Here's what they don't realize. In 12 months, every idea in this video will be 10 times more competitive. The founders making money right now aren't the smartest, they're the fastest. Here's our promise. Give us 30 days and we'll help you launch a working AI product ready to earn revenue. Many of our clients hit their first $10,000 to $15,000 in monthly recurring revenue within 6 months. Click the link in the description, fill out the short form, and book your free strategy session. We'll map your path to profitability step by step. If you found this video helpful, subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Drop a comment and let me know which idea hit the hardest. I'm Tristan from Code Brew Labs. The AI wave is here. Let's build something before everyone else does. See you in the next one.